Bharat Gera, the founder of Human-Centric Healthcare Ecosystem, HCHE for short. I consult on digital transformation with hospitals and I'm on the board of startups, medical device and healthcare startups.
That's good to know. So, you've been a part of the HealthCare 360 Summit today. Describe in a nutshell your experience of the event.
It was great to see an interdisciplinary approach where we had people from different aspects of the hospital, from projects, operations, and IT. It was really good to get everybody on the same table and discuss these issues about smart hospitals.
What do you have to say about the kind of audience that you had today, the peers that you were able to network with?
Very interesting, a mix of people from startups, hospitals, and general interest. Everybody's interested in healthcare these days, so it was good to see a good participative audience, even from academic backgrounds.
Thank you. And last question, very simple. Describe the event in one word only.
Fantastic event with a lot of. You want one word?
One word, yes, that's the catch.
Good mix.
It's two words, but okay. Okay, Deepika, thank you very much for being a part of this short Q&A. For the benefit of our viewers, please introduce yourself with your name and a little bit about what you do.
Hi, my name is Deepika Grande. I am the Business Development Head for Cleveland Clinic in India. I also run a company called IMAS HealthCare. I'm the founder director of the company that offers teleconsultations for patients from India with providers from various Cleveland Clinic locations.
That's good to know. So you've been a part of the HealthCare 360 Summit today. How was your experience of the conference?
Well, the experience has been phenomenal. It was great to learn from the executives and leadership from various hospitals. It was a very engaging session to learn about hospital design and acoustics, things that have never been exposed to. It was I've learned as much as I've probably given to this conference.
What was the highlight of the conference?
The highlight of the conference was really the enthusiasm that healthcare leaders, the startup companies, the various vendors have expressed in improving patient outcomes. That definitely was, I think, a common theme throughout the topics, and it was very rewarding to hear that.
And what do you have to say about your fellow audience and peers that you had the opportunity to network with today?
It was fun. I think I spoke with a few hospital administrators, learned about the importance of healthcare communication and training that's happening in various hospitals. Spoke to a few vendors who are into clinical research, nutraceuticals. So it was a very diverse audience, and it was, great to network with everyone.
And my last question, a semi-trick question. Describe the conference in only one word. What is that word?
Very engaging.
But okay, engaging.
Engaging.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
Myself, Sandeep. I represent Knopf Sealing Solutions, Karnataka, and we are into complete sealing solutions in terms where people play, learn, and actually heal also. So healing is a part where this event is all about, and the healthcare summit, they talked about the complete. It was covering most of the segments, which is very important in day-to-day life, because we see post-COVID, there are many challenges which are how to say, it has not been addressed. So this event is actually an eye-opening for everyone. And most of the topics which were discussed were very relevant to the current situations, and it was very interactive for that matter. And I wish them all the best and continue doing the same thing and empower everyone. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Sandeep. My name is Amrita Subhash. I represent Knopf Sealing Solutions. I do actually a sealing solution specialist. We are actually into the technical support for any kind of a sealing solutions. I represent for South and East regions. So talking about today, it's a very good organization and a very good show today for an entire day, right from beginning till the closure. I could see, the lot of events, it went really well, and especially the interactive sessions, it was actually, it was outstanding. It has opened up many unknown things come to the limelight. So it was a very good thing. And as a presenter, I also really enjoyed giving our presentation, our part to the healthcare facilities. Hope it will be a very good for everyone. Thank you so much for organizing. One second. Yeah.
Thank you, gentlemen. Did you feel that you met any delegates that will be interesting for you to pursue from a business point of view?
Yes, definitely. We could see, a lot of industry leaders, a lot of, hospital owners, a lot of consultants, and a lot of architects. I think, this is a wonderful opportunity for us to make a good networking, to know about these solutions and know about the market, and to further take it forward for any kind of business developments.
Sandeep, anything to add?
Yeah, I mean, see, every person who came here are best in their own fields, but it's not that they know everything about the industry. So it is always better to get connected, and I urge most of the other suppliers or vendors to be part of this event, which they organize next year. If so, I really will be a part of this event if they are organizing it again. It's really good to meet top brass. Healthcare people over here like Apollo, Sakara, Manipal. I mean, it's always good to
Fortis.
meet Fortis to get that. I mean, if I have missed out anything, please don't mind, because it's always better to get in touch with the direct client, and because we directly are able to add value to their facilities. So that's what we are trying to make. It's not a business kind of perspective, but making them aware that yes, there are brands which add value for their offerings which they do. So thank you.
Gentlemen, sure, last question. Choose one word to describe the conference today.
Excited,
Only one word.
excited, and looking forward for more
Exciting.
options.
Okay, very good.
It is very interactive.
Interactive. Very good.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Appreciate your comments.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And look forward to seeing you again very soon.
Thank you so
Gladly.
much. Yeah.
Thank you for being a part of this short Q&A with us. Please start by introducing yourself, your name, your job title, your company, and a little bit about what you do.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much. So I am Sophia, and I work at Jobizo. I work as the Senior Manager Strategy and Marketing. Jobizo is a healthcare tech startup. We are into healthcare hiring. So you can consider us as an Uber for healthcare hiring.
Very good.
Yeah.
So you've been with us for the event and conference today. What is your experience of the conference?
It was a fantastic event. We are dealing with the healthcare industry, and it was so good to meet all the potential clients, and we got a lot of hot leads from the event. Thank you so much.
Yeah, on that. So do you think that the leads that you got were have a high potential? You can follow up and potentially get some good return on the business from those leads?
Yes, definitely. I hope so, and I think hope is life.
Well said, well said.
Yeah.
And what about your peers? What do you have to say about your fellow audience members and the kind of people that you've met today?
Brilliant. I think, meeting all the executives, the management, the decision makers of the healthcare industry. I mean, it was such a surreal experience for me.
Very good. And what was the highlight of the event in your opinion?
Getting the hot leads, which I was supposed to get from the event, and of course, designing everything for the event, from the passport to the boarding passes to everything. And I mean, when I saw the audience getting intrigued and coming up to us and understanding what Jobizo does, it was like I'd put my heart and soul into it, and it was all worth it.
Would you mind showing the pass and the passport?
So this boarding pass is your pass from cost heavy, tiresome hiring to free, effortless hiring. And this is your passport, basically the Jobizo passport to the healthcare hiring. And it has all the details of how we've empowered our clients to provide better patient care, how you're able to hire in 10 minutes, our success story, and why. What is it stopping you from joining us? Thank you.
I think that's very cool. And final question, Sophia, a little bit of a trick question.
Okay.
Choose only one word to describe that event, to describe our event. What is the one word you will choose?
Fantastic.
Fantastic.
Thank
That's what
you.
we like to hear. We really appreciate your kind words, and we look forward to seeing you again very soon.
Thank you so much.